Hey guys, I'm about to show you how to do my easy bun tutorial. You want to start by teasing the crown of your head. I like to take small sections starting about halfway back on my head just to give me some fullness, and you definitely want to make sure that you get those corners like you see me doing right now. It just gives you more of a full look so that you don't have like a dinosaur bump on the back of your head, which it'll look like I do in a minute. You'll see what I'm talking about. Then you want to take your teasing brush and just kind of smooth out the top of your hair so that you don't see the teasing underneath. And you just do that lightly. Don't be afraid, but also don't do it so hard that you brush all of your teasing out. Now you're going to grab all of your hair back into a loose ponytail with just holding it with your hands, and take your free hand and pull out some little hairs around your face, as much or as little as you want, and wrap your clear elastic around your hair in a ponytail like you see mine. Now you're going to take your fingers and just gently pull your hair like you see me doing. And don't be afraid, you can pull it pretty hard until you get the volume that you want. Now, as you can see, I'm teasing my ponytail. So you want to tease the under part of your ponytail. And then you want to take it and wrap it around with the tease part on the inside. So take it and wrap it around like I just did. And then grab a few bobby pins to hold it in place. Once you have it in place, go ahead and grab your handheld mirror. I have to use an eyeshadow palette because I didn't have my mirror, but anyways, you want to take your mirror and just check it, see what it looks like. I like to grab a few more bobby pins to pull it in closer to my head. You can kind of see how it looks like it's hanging away from my head. I like it to look a little closer, like tighter in on my head, but still big. And then you want to just pin in any stray hairs that you see and adjust it as you need. And it's as simple as that. Don't be afraid to adjust and pull on your hair as much as you need. And that was my simple bun updo tutorial. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, or if you have any issues with it. You can leave a comment or send me an email. Thank you. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe if you want to see more.